Your heart pumps nearly 1,900 gallons of blood every single day. After 40, that engine starts facing real resistance, and most men have no idea it's happening. Here's the problem. Heart disease doesn't announce itself. There's no warning light, no error message. For most men over 40, the first symptom is a heart attack. But here's what the research consistently shows. The damage building up inside your arteries right now is largely preventable, and in some cases, reversible. You don't need a cardiologist's schedule or an athlete's discipline. You need the right habits applied consistently. These are the ones that actually move the needle. Number 1. Walk more than you think you need to. Serious exercise is great, but study after study points to daily walking as one of the strongest predictors of long-term heart health in middle-aged men. 30 minutes, moderate pace, most days of the week. That's enough to meaningfully lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and improve how efficiently your heart moves blood. You don't need to run, you need to move every day. Number 2. Cut the one thing wrecking your arteries silently. Ultra-processed food. Not fat, not carbs, processed food, the kind that comes in packages with 15 ingredients you can't pronounce. These foods drive chronic inflammation, which is the slow, invisible process that stiffens arteries and forces your heart to work harder year after year. Swap one processed meal a day for something whole. Meat, eggs, vegetables, fruit. That single shift compounds over months. Number 3. Sleep like your heart depends on it, because it does. Less than 6 hours of sleep consistently raises blood pressure, spikes cortisol, and accelerates arterial damage. Most men treat sleep as optional. Their hearts don't agree. 7 to 8 hours isn't laziness, it's maintenance. Number 4. Know your two numbers, blood pressure and resting heart rate. You don't need expensive tests. A cheap blood pressure cuff from any pharmacy tells you more about your cardiovascular risk than most symptoms will. Normal blood pressure is around 120/80. If yours is consistently above 130/85, that's your heart telling you something needs to change. Your resting heart rate should ideally sit between 60 and 75 beats per minute. Higher than that at rest often signals your heart is working too hard just to keep up. Check these numbers, they don't lie. Number 5. Manage stress like it's a physical threat, because it is. Chronic stress raises cortisol. Cortisol raises blood pressure. Elevated blood pressure damages arterial walls over time. This isn't a mental health conversation, it's a mechanical one. Cold showers, controlled breathing, cutting caffeine after noon, getting outside. Whatever lowers your stress response consistently, do that regularly. Your heart feels every spike. Your heart has been working every second of your life without a single break. After 40, the question isn't whether it's aging. Everything ages. The question is whether you're giving it a fighting chance. Walk daily. Cut processed food, sleep properly, know your numbers, control your stress. 5 moves, no gym membership required. The men who make it to 80 with a strong heart aren't lucky, they're consistent. If this was useful, subscribe. We cover practical longevity for men who want to stay sharp, strong, and healthy well past middle age. The next video is worth watching too.